If you're experiencing the cloud save error 2025 in Rocket League, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you ensure your game saves are properly synced. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Rocket League server status page to confirm if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Rocket League completely and restart it. This can help refresh the connection to the cloud servers and may resolve temporary issues. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on Steam or Epic Games, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any missing or corrupted files and replace them as needed. Step 4. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. A weak or intermittent connection can cause issues with cloud saves. Try resetting your router or connecting via a wired connection if possible. Step 5. Relink your account. If the issue persists, try unlinking and then relinking your Epic Games or Steam account in the Rocket League settings. This can help refresh your account connection and resolve syncing issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the cloud save error 2025 in Rocket League. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Rocket League support for further assistance.